Hey guys, thought I'd give you a little Monday morning news. I beat the last copyright strike I got this morning. I got a letter from YouTube. You're gonna see that and be able to read it. It's very short, and I'll let you see what the copyright strike was and who it was from. Whoa! As I was starting this video about everything about the copyright strike, I got an email from Thea Tama, and she sent me this. Silence Boy has been suspended permanently from YouTube. Absolutely fantastic. Made my frickin' day. Good. It's so nice to get rid of that guy. Let's watch some laws out there in California get changed. The Latino community went crazy over what he did. It was awful. It was fucking terrible. Anyway, let me finish this video. Thank you, Thea. These First Amendment auditors, they are not for free speech. That's pretty obvious when they go around striking channels like mine and everybody else's. It's just a hypocritical thing they do. Anyway, I don't know what their point is. Anyway, let's have a look at the copyright strike first. And here it is. It was issued on February 27th, 2022. Copyright owner asked us to take down your video because they believe it contains material that violates their copyright. As a result, your video was removed from YouTube. Your channel received a strike. If you get 3 copyright strikes, blah blah blah. What can you do? I counter-struck. I sent in a counter-strike and I beat their stupid copyright. Content removed, etc. Okay, now we're going to go on to the letter I just got this morning. Alright, this is from YouTube. Dear Unclean Hands, in accordance with the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, we've completed processing your counter notification. The following videos have been restored unless you have deleted them. I have not deleted them. And there's the link if you want to copy and paste it. You'll see which video they struck. YouTube team. That's it. That's all there is. All you have to do is counter strike it, wait about 2 weeks, and it's over. No big deal. Anyway, Kern County Transparency is the one that struck my channel. What hypocrisy. What hypocrisy from bastions of free speech. Anyway, now I got to address the giant bunny rabbit I got in my backyard. Let's have a look at that critter. He's a monster. There he is. Look at him the way he's staring at me. What a tyrant. Those are the eyes of tyranny. I'm afraid to go outside on my own property because he just comes after me. I mean, he's got claws and teeth and a gun. I mean, it's a rabbit with a gun. Anyway, let's talk about Silence Boy some more. What he did, it pissed everybody on YouTube off. Everybody was in unison from all venues. Even some food venues went after him. People that do YouTube videos on street food, they went crazy over this. They were very upset. I'm sure they got millions of complaints in the YouTube office over this. So Silence Boy has lost his ability to make money on YouTube. He's gone. Best news I've heard all day. Again, thank you, Thea, for finding that. Y'all have a nice day now. Bye.